have a bold request. The bold request is go to these nurseries that don't have the plants and say, is this something you would consider growing? And even if they chase you out, you put a thought into their mind. You put the squeaky wheel out there. So that would be my bold request to you. Just go ask, first of all. And second of all, if you go online, there's some really good mail order nurseries that carry a big diversity of plants. One I'm thinking of right now is Digging Dog in California. You might say they're in California, but they grow a lot of solid plants that live well here in the Midwest. I order from them every year. Neil Diblik, Prairie Nursery in central Wisconsin. Missouri Wildflowers, they have a lot of plants. And Prairie Moon Nursery has a lot of native plants that they mail order. So I think go online, use the computer, and just source out some of the mail order plants, and they'll send you beautiful plants. They're all proud of what they grow, and they're all good growers. And Taylor Creek Nursery is in southern Wisconsin. They have a beautiful nursery, and they grow beautiful native plants. Another Agrecol. Now I'm unstoppable. Now I keep naming. You see all the opportunities. There's plants available everywhere. So I would just check on, make the bold request locally, and let the growers know there's more than just Shasta daisies and daylilies. So make that request, and then go online, and I think you'll find a lot of sources that are very economical and be happy to send you plants. Hope that helps.